Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got a question this morning about the Weider 8530. They wanted to know if this seat that I'm sitting in is adjustable to allow the person to use the leg curls. I have a 30-inch inseam. So I fit on this, and it seems to fit me pretty much where I want to be. That's going to be a problem for some people. Here's some suggestions. I was asked if the seat for the leg lift was adjustable because the person's legs were too short. Now, looking at the design of the machine, it's set up with this being the 0 point for both the bench press, which is these two arms which are used to pull forward on that when you're sitting in the seat. And the same thing with the butterfly, which are these. These are used to pull these forward to help with the deltoids. So the legs are not adjustable. This unit does not allow you to bring this closer to the seat back. If I was forced into a situation where I needed to do that, I would look at this and say, okay, this is going to be a situation where I won't be able to just change the thing and leave it. Because if I want to use the butterflies and the bench press, I have to have this much clearance between the handles. Otherwise, I'm going to have to reach way behind myself to get to these handles. But this seat back is held on with 2/4 inch screws. One down there and one up here. Those should be able to be changed out for longer screws. And I would suggest a wooden block that was made thick enough, you could stack up enough 2x4s or 1x4s or whatever you need to get this out far enough so that you could get your butt up against this and still reach with your knees being able to reach over this rest so that you can do leg curls. But that would mean that you would have to put that on and take it off. The other thing to do would be to get yourself a piece of hard foam and wrap some Velcro around it so that it stays here. Perhaps you could glue Velcro to this and then a piece of Velcro to the foam so that it would hold that out. Now this is styrofoam. It's what I have available in this short notice, and I will just use it as a demonstration. Adding a thickness of that to the seat back would allow that to move you further forward. You could use a pillow. Chair cushion might work. Something out of an old overstuffed chair. Set it against the back there. Tie it off with a rope. Tie it on with some tape. If you need to be able to change back and forth, make it something that you can put on and take off easily. But that would be my suggestion. The machine doesn't have any adjustability on that. It also has some other problems, like I'm too tall for this arm lift. Military press, squat station. Trying to raise this up over my head. I obviously am going to raise that up to the point where my elbows are not locked. So this is not a one-size-fits-all, although it's close. If I needed to do that, like I said, I would probably, in my case, I would say, okay, I want to have some other person use this. I would put a cushion on that and let them sit on the seat, do the leg curls, then take the cushion off and use it as standard so that I can continue with my bench press and butterflies and leg curls for my taller body. Hope that helps. Just some suggestions. I'm not saying that's the only way to go or the best way to go, but just some suggestions. If you have any questions about today's video or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.